Hey guys, what's up? In this video, you are gonna learn about file compression and file extraction using tar and gzip tools. So let's get started. First off, you need to open your terminal, and I have created a directory for this tutorial, that is test. I will enter to that directory, and here you can see there is no files. I will create a file, that is test, hit enter, and you can see there is nothing in the file. Now to bring some contents in the file, I will copy the contents of my password file. To copy a content, you should type cp space the directory of the file you need to copy, that is mine is it is in etc/password space, and the copied content to be stored in a file, that is mine is home or pentester test, and the file, that is test, and here you can see the content of my test file. Great. Now the tar and the gzip is highly important, which reduces the disk usage of the files. It compresses the files and optimizes your PC. Okay, now the syntax of the tar for compression is, I have my file, I will compress this file, that is tar space. Now you need to type -c meaning compress and f meaning file, meaning that compress the file, and the file you need to compress, that is mine is test, and you need to put an extension, that is .tar, and space the directory to be stored, that is mine is test / hit enter and ls, and here you can see my compressed file has been stored. Now I will remove my original file, that is remove test, hit enter, and you can see there is no file except my compressed file. Now I will extract my compressed file by using tar space -xf to extract the file space. My file is to be extracted is test.tar space the directory you want to keep the output, that is test / you remember that the test / is very important, otherwise you will get an error. You need to type the directory you are in. I am in the directory test, and you need to put a / in front of it so that the syntax to be worked. Hit enter, and here you can see the file has been created. I will cat the content of the file, that is test, and the contents are same. Now I will show you another flag of the tar. I will remove the test.tar. You can also use verbose, that is cvf. It shows you more of the output, that is it shows you more information about the output. Now space the file you want to compress, that is test.tar space the directory you are in to be stored. Hit enter, and the file has been created. You can see it showed me the file has been or the directory in which it has stored the test.tar. Here you can see it has created. I will remove my original file, hit enter, and here also you can use the verbose, that is xvf space the name of the file, that is test.tar, and the directory to be stored. Hit enter, and here you can see the file has been created. You can also see the output cat test, and the output are similar. I will remove my test.tar. Now let us look about gzip. You can type what is gzip and here you can see it shows you that it compresses or expands the files. You can also see the man page of gzip, and here you can see the man pages of the file. It says that gzip reduces the size of the named file using length ziv coding. Whenever possible, each file is replaced by one with a X extension, that is .gz. You need to specify .gz, meaning .tar. If you are using tar to compress the file to zip it, you need to type .tar.gz so that it can compress it using the gzip. I will get out of the terminal and you can see that. Now I have the file test. I want to compress it using tar and also zip it up. To do so, you need to type tar space, you need to type -c to compress and V for verbose, and to zip it up you need to type dash, that is Z, and space and F, that is meaning that it is a file, space the name of the file you need to compress and zip it up, that is test.tar.gz, space the directory you want to store it, that is I am in the directory test, and slash, hit enter, ls, and here you can see the compressed zipped file has been created. Now to extract the file, or you can see what type of file it is, you can type file test.tar.gz, hit enter, and here you can see it is gzip compressed data from Unix, original size module is given here. Now you don't know about file, you can type what is file. I have not covered it up in my previous videos. Here you can see it determines the file type. If you use a file name test.txt, it will tell that it is a file which contains the it is a file which contains of the test txt extension file. Okay, it will tell you what type of file it is. Now to extract the text.tar.gz, you can type tar dash x to extract, V for verbose, and to unzip also it is same, that is Z F space the name of the file to be uncompressed and to be unzipped, that is tar.gz, and the directory to be stored, that is test slash, hit enter, and here you can see the file has been created. Wait a sec, the original file was there. I will remove the original file test and I will run the previous command which I run, and here you can see the file has been created. I will run it or see the contents of the file, cat test, and all the contents are same. That's it for this video guys. I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, stay tuned.